Tattooed and Homebrewed Live is back. It's back and it's ready to blow off your speakers. The band I got in here with me this week were guests of the show in the beginning of Season 2, and now they've returned to the BVZ studios to cause havoc, wreak chaos, and wreck shop. These guys are making moves and have been putting in work. Now they're going to beat the crap out of you in your living room, your kitchen pantry, or whatever truck stop restroom you're currently calling home. Won't you all put your hands together for the 814's Human Animal?
Check, check! What's up, BVZ? We're Human Animal! This first song is called Time Tells All! Something keeps coming down! Pistols are all around! Because this was a good way out! Forever! Through these eyes, you mock yourself. You're seeing the skies. When I always do the real you, one time to the surface, so they soon behind all the lies. Your crooked smile, fake, always make consequence. You know it'll never last. Whoa! Touch the wall. Whoa! Did you relax me too good? Wrong, oh no, it's not. Did you relax me too good? Life from the truth. You deceived us by yourself. You deceive so serious how? Because everyone else is done with your way. Forever walking alone. No path you chose. The damage is done, but when you contradict, your rules are quite suspect. Whoa! Wrong! Whoa! Wrong! You relax me too good. Wrong, no, stop. You relax me too good. Lost on the ground. can run, but you can't hide. This next song's called Faded Pictures. Oh!
Thank you. Once again, we're Human Animal from right here in Erie, PA, playing a bunch of old songs for you guys, playing a bunch of new stuff too. We had a 5-song debut CD/7-inch come out end of last year. Vinyl came out in spring of this past year. Those first 2 songs were off of that. It's called Dark Days. I'm gonna play a couple new ones for you here now. This song is coming out on a new split 7-inch sometime in 2014 on Head to Wall Records. We're super excited about that. This song is all about people wasting my time. It's called Time Bandits. My man Adam's gonna kick it off.
Here we go, yo! Tell your tale to me, 'cause I don't wanna hear it again. You know you're fitting for me. You're lying to my face. Whoa, whoa, how can you believe in yourself? Whoa, whoa, I'm finished. You're not again. Stop it, while around. Stop it. Tick-tock. Clock don't stop, spinning round and round. Tick tock, clock don't stop, spinning round and round. Oh man, here comes another one. It's all the cool people they've known, all the crazy things they've done. You think that's all impressed me? Sorry, son. Don't put your problems on me. Don't turn me down to your side. Don't push your bullshit on my back. I listen anymore. Whoa, whoa. How can you believe in yourself? Whoa, whoa. That's it. You're not again. Don't do this. While around. Don't do this. Tick tock. Clock don't stop. Spinning round and round. Tick tock. Clock don't stop. Spinning round and round. Spinning round and round. you ever think you shall be right here? Without a clue, without a hope, without a pride. Like you should off all the time. Not the voices in my brain. That mood keeps slapping in my ear. Another night, staring at the ceiling once again. The sparkle beat on it all. When time feel like I'm losing my way, I know that nothing is my own way.
Thank you, thank you. Thanks to everyone who's out there listening. It's getting hot in here, man. I know this shirt might come off. Thankfully, nobody can see me, so that's a good thing. I'm built like Lou Ferrigno. The freaking Hulk up in here. Hulk? So like I said, we released a CD last year called Dark Days. We had a fun time a couple months ago shooting a video for that, downtown Erie. You can find that on YouTube. It was a lot of fun to make. It meant a lot to me. It's kind of awesome when we filmed it because it was downtown. A little group of people were forming. They seemed to be having a good time too. Felt a little silly, but hey, that's all right. So if you want to check that out, you can find it on our website too. It's actually the first song we ever wrote. We're going to kick that off, and Nate is going to play a blazing solo. Blazing, Nate, better than ever. Come on, man, do it. Do it for the listeners. Kick it. Definitely getting hot in here. I see Nate is glistening in the corner.
Glistening!
Glistening. It was that solo. It was shredding hot, man. Baby boy's got his pants off as usual.
If I had pants on, that would make it weird.
Yeah. That would be out of character for sure. So we got another older track for you. This one is called Out Cold.
Feel free to bang your head. Lost your bedroom in your living room. Run for your life! wanna die alone. Don't wanna die alone. The water's on its own. The water's on its own.
Thank you, B. Thank you. This whole set is for B. I hope he doesn't get another bang over. So once again, that was another new track. That was the Outlier. We have them in our possession, but they're going to be out beginning of January. A new split 7-inch from Germany on Demons Run Amok. Very fortunate. Band from over there named Additional Time hit us up about doing a split 7-inch. We're game for anything, man. They're an awesome band. We're kind of vinyl nerds, so it's kind of cool to us. I've been putting out full lengths and CDs and 7-inches for 15, 20 years, and it never gets old. Still pretty exciting. This is an awesome opportunity. We really want to thank BVZ for having us. These guys for putting up with our shenanigans today. We've been here for a couple hours trying to get set up, and we only got one more track for you guys. It's another song we shot a video for. We had a really good time. You can find that on YouTube too. All right, here we go. This one is called Swine Flu.
You're
Give it up for Human Animal in here wrecking it up tonight. Thank you guys so much for tearing it up. I tell you what, they weren't lying 2 seconds ago when they were saying how hot it was in here. It is ridiculous. I haven't even been doing nothing over here but besides headbanging and fist pumping, and I'm sweating, so I feel bad for these guys. So we're going to go ahead and take a break here. But in the meantime, you go to the fridge, you grab a cold one and rock out to these tunes. Oh yeah, that's right, buddy. That's what we do when we're here on More Metal Than Your Mom's Kettle. We rock out. So check it out. Here's some Iron Maiden with some classic Wasted Years. You're listening to More Metal Than Your Mom's Kettle only on BVZ Radio, the voice of Baron. You're listening to More Metal Than Your Mom's Kettle only on BVZ Radio, the voice of Baron. It is Friday. We just got done rocking the house in here with, oh man, Human Animal. I tell you what, it's like hot and sweaty in here like there's a bunch of animals in here. It's insane, dude. It's ridiculous. It almost borderline stinks like a zoo. I'm your host, B. It is Friday night, matter of fact. Probably one of the best days of the week. This is the time when you start your weekend off and start getting crazy. You start getting crazy like some kind of animal, some kind of human animal. Speaking of, those guys just got done ripping it up in here, and I tell you what, man, it is hotter than a mud flap in Mississippi, I tell you that much. It smells like rotten hell in here. But so we just got some of their gear teared down. They're sitting here. They're trying to cool off and relax. And I'm going to grill them for a little bit. No, we're just going to do a little catching up. Guys, thank you so much for coming in and hanging out. Thanks for coming in and tearing this place apart, man. Great set, real tight, good stuff, man. Good stuff.
Thank you.
Thanks, man. Thank you.
So how was your guys' holiday?
It was all right. It was pretty
Yeah?
good.
Yeah, anything eventful? Anybody burn a turkey? Anybody try to make sweet love to a turkey? Adam's got this look of guilt on his face.
He'd be the one to ask.
I don't have a turkey fetish.
You are. Sorry, that's duck.
Oh. What the duck?
Well, I'm glad you guys had a good holiday. So what's been new in Human Animals Camp since the last time you guys have been here?
I think Bob's got the best big news right now.
I do?
Family-wise.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yeah. I got another bun in the oven.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were actually just talking off air before the show there. Your kid is due when?
It will be, let me think, June 12th,
Yeah,
I
it's
believe.
just a couple weeks after mine. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's crazy. That is crazy.
Yeah.
Well, congrats, buddy.
Thanks, man.
They could be besties.
Yeah, I was going to
There you
say,
go.
yeah, they're going to be the same age,
And
possibly.
if you have a son and I have a daughter, don't even think about it.
It's not going to be me thinking, believe me. It'll be the boy thinking. I'll teach him, though. I'll teach him.
Oh, I know you will.
I was going to say, if he turns out to be anything like me, you might be in trouble.
Let's hope.
So other than that, though, just everything kosher. Nothing new band wise. You guys were talking about you guys about to release a 7-inch here.
Yeah,
a split.
Super exciting. We recorded the songs at the end of summer, so we're really happy for them to see the light of day finally. So
Yeah.
two new tracks. So we played them tonight: Outlier and Better Days. So
Cool.
yeah, it's on vinyl for all those people still into that.
The vinyl peoples.
Yeah, all 300 of them.
There you go.
So you guys just played some shows. You guys had one in Illinois, Ohio, and the Steel City, Pittsburgh. How'd those shows go?
Oh, it was awesome. We drove 1,280 miles to Illinois to play one show. That's maybe not the smartest move, but
It was worth it.
Yeah.
It was a really cool show.
Wasn't Smoke and Mirrors on the bill for that one too?
Yeah.
yeah.
Must have been pretty cool hanging out there
Pound
with
for
some.
Pound. It was a band called Pound for Pound's last show.
Yeah,
A band that we used
they were
to
the
play
ones.
with quite a bit.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah.
And other bands, obviously not this band.
Well, it had to been cool definitely being out there with Smoke and Mirrors, having somebody else from the 814 out there,
Yeah.
wrecking shop somewhere else, That's pretty cool. How
When,
about,
when both bands played, kids went nuts for them and us, and we were like, all right, that was worth coming out
Yeah, it
here.
was definitely
it's worth the drive?
we had no idea what to expect. Place was kind of sketchy looking, It's a good little. Drove by it a couple times and followed the graffiti, and there's like a cool indoor skate park and all kinds of squat.
We also saw at that gas station, all the alcohol that they sell at gas stations. It's kind of ridiculous.
Oh yeah, it was like a full bar setup every time you went to a truck stop.
The funniest thing I think was we saw single glasses of wine sealed glasses, one glass of wine that you could buy.
What the hell was that?
Individual, like, I'm driving all these hours. I could really go for a glass of wine.
It's for the classy gentleman or lady who's on the go, who just wants one for the road.
I think my wife's Honda Element that we went out in smelled worse than this room by the time we got back. So.
Well, that's gonna be pretty bad because this smells like the bottom side of a dumpster in here. I tell you that much.
It's a nice smelling dumpster.
So what's on the horizon for Human Animal? Anything
actually,
cool planned?
Well, we were super excited for this. So this is kind of like the peak, and now it's all downhill from here.
Yeah.
So.
Well, I'm glad you guys were excited. That's cool.
Well, we were a lot of
The capper for a pretty awesome year, really, for us.
Band Christmas.
Yeah,
That's cool. Well, I tell you what, I'm glad that we could be a part of that.
Yeah.
That's cool. That makes me feel good.
like a lot of like nervous anxiety about something like this, but in a good way. It's different. It kind of pushes you to try new things.
Right.
Which is kind of what this band's been about for a lot of us. So
That's your guys' MO.
yeah.
That's awesome.
It was cool how it came together in like the last 5 minutes.
Yeah, seriously. Just like any other time, when we do Tattooed and Homebrewed Live, we usually always start the show late because everything comes down to the wire. And then what happens is, it's kind of just like what happened tonight. We're ready at about, it was like 7 minutes after 9, and I think I was like, all right, we're going to go on in 5 more minutes. I'm going to go grab a smoke, relax my nerves. We'll come back in, we'll start the show. We're already late as it is.
Right.
Okay.
Hopefully everyone that was texting us stayed tuned in. So
Yeah. Hopefully they didn't think you were blowing them off.
Right.
Oh, why is this jerk doesn't want to talk to me? What is he playing a show right now or something? What's going on? So I got something to show you guys, and I thought you guys might enjoy this. All right. Our friends, past guests of the show, Glaucon, they were in here. When was that? It's like sometime in September 13th, matter of fact, and they recorded this, and I just want to kind of get your guys' take on it.
More metal
Then your mom.
This is Glaucon covering Human Animal's lost promo for More Metal Than Your Mom's Kettle on BVZ Radio, the voice of Barrett.
No, actually, no. I gotta play that back because there was a part that I kind of cut out there for a second. Hold on, we're gonna go ahead and listen to that again.
This is Glaucon covering Human Animal's lost promo for More Metal Than Your Ma's Kettle on BVZ Radio, the voice of Barrett.
Erie High School football rules.
Wow.
Yeah, that was John. John did that. That was pretty funny.
They were just as in tune as we were.
Oh yeah. For the audience out there, let me paint a little backstory for you. So the last time Human Animal was on the show, we recorded a promo after the show, just like most of the bands that come in here. We were in here pretty late because there was a lot of rehearsing for this promo. This was a special promo, like it was one of a kind. And so, me being the bonehead that I am, after they left, I accidentally erased it. And I remember calling Adam and being like, "Oh, hey, dude, can I get you guys to come back and redo that? I'm sorry. I'm an idiot. I erased it." And I think you were on your way to Florida, I think, right after that. Yeah.
I may have been.
And you were like, "Oh, well, we'll catch up when I get back." And then it just never happened.
We're back.
But you guys are back. So we're going to do it tonight, for sure.
They're missing Adam's hello there. Busted. Good.
Hello.
You need that.
That's like the highlight of it right there. That's one of the best parts of it.
We're gonna do it even better this time. I think we're gonna try a 5-part.
5-part.
Yeah.
We have 5 of us in here.
Yeah, I wasn't
gonna
here
say-
last time.
I was going to say, yeah, you two weren't, Ryan and Nate weren't here last time.
Why
so
don't you guys introduce yourself? Because no one knows who you
yeah,
are.
that's right. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm a bad host.
Hello, I'm Baby Boy Zimmerman. Professional bassist in Human Animal.
He's Nate's kid.
I'm still waiting for the DNA.
Whatever you say, Dad.
I'm Nate Black. I play guitar.
Awesome. Well, hey, thanks for coming back. Or I should say, thanks for coming this time. Too bad you guys couldn't make it last time, but that's okay. Sometimes life has other things for you to do. You can't always come and hang out with some jerk like me. I mean, not everybody's privileged enough to. No, I'm kidding. But no, honestly, guys, thanks again for coming in. Thanks for ripping this place apart. It smells like hell in here. Partially for me. I did take a shower. It doesn't look like
Only
it.
it was 3 days ago.
No, dude, I doubled up.
This year, I took a shower.
I got one this morning and yesterday morning, so I'm good for like a week, man.
Just be thankful we didn't eat at Melt before we came here.
Yeah,
That'll do it.
yeah, that's a true story. We actually did that.
Also, I got to take a second here. I got to thank JT McDonald, BVZ station manager, for coming in here, helping out, doing sound. You did a fabulous job, buddy. You are the man. He was running around here taking pictures, doing everything, man. You're the man.
He kind of got the whole sound thing set up for us.
Yeah, I know.
We'd have been SOL without him.
Honestly, this would not happen if it wasn't for him. So, bravo.
Thank you.
Bravo, JT. You're the man, bro. You're the man. Let's get back to the Metal Madness. Here's a live track from Megadeth, In My Darkest Hour. You're listening to more metal than your Ma's Kettle, only on BVZ Radio, the voice of Baron. Well, first and foremost, I got to thank you guys so much for coming in and rocking out. You guys really tore it up. Good times. Thanks for coming back. You know, sometimes people come in here once, they're like, all right, one and done. I'm never hanging out with this guy again. He smells like hell and he's stupid as crap.
And we had to have a long talk about that.
You guys had to weigh out the
They had
pros
to
and cons.
Talk us into it.
That explains probably why when I text Adam about it, he was like, oh, let me get back to you about it.
We'll let you know.
Well, me and Ryan were excited to come. We had to drag the rest of the guys here, kicking and screaming.
Nice. Yeah, because you guys weren't put through the punishment last time.
They had no idea.
You had no idea what you guys were getting yourselves into. Well, once again, thanks for coming in here, guys, for sure.
Thank you.
Thanks for having us.
And JT, thank you again, buddy. Thank you.
My pleasure.
You're the man. Solid dude. Solid dude.
Solid.
Solid round of applause for JT McDonald, BVZ's station manager, the best station manager in the world.
He's also got the fastest thumbs I've ever seen. He's
Oh,
over
this-
here texting away.
This dude's a texting maniac. Seriously, he just wrote like a 20-page novel just in the 5 seconds that we were talking here. Seriously.
6 emails.
So if you want to hear some more from Human Animal, you can go check their stuff out at
humananimal814.com is our website, and on there is streaming music from our debut EP, and then there's also links to all our videos. You can also look at beautiful pictures of our awesome physiques and our beautiful faces on Instagram at humananimal814. I think we're on Twitter. I don't know. I think I set that up.
Yeah, we have a Twitter.
We do? Okay. And
Check
Out our tweets.
all 2 of them.
yeah. And we're also on the Facebook.
Nice. Yeah, and that's where you can go to find out other information such as upcoming shows of theirs. And like I said, you can check out, or like EMS said, you can check out their physiques. And earlier he mentioned that he's got a body like Lou Ferrigno. He's not lying. He's not lying.
In his later days.
In the ladder of Ferrigno's career.
Damn it.
So we got some shows coming up here. Past guest of the show, Kevlar, will be playing at a fundraiser known as the... Tune in to More Metal Than Your Ma's Kettle next Friday night for the Season 3 finale. Check out More Metal Than Your Ma's Kettle Facebook page and give it a like. Let's wrap the night up with a killer old school track that probably should have been saved.